For over 15 years, one name has redefined engineering excellence in chemical equipment manufacturing. Mahavir Industries. From chemical and pharmaceutical plants to bio-fertilizer, resin, petrochemical, agrochemical, and Mahavir Industries is a trusted name delivering innovation, precision, and performance all under one roof. We design and manufacture a complete range of ribbon blender, reactor, ribbon mixer, powder mixer, sigma mixer, Vibro shifter, vibrating screen, turbo siever, screw conveyor, fluid bed dryer, rotary vacuum paddle dryer, and rotary airlock valve, etc. Our machines stand out with high heat and mass transfer capability, low power consumption, and minimal maintenance, ensuring a homogeneous mixture every time. From food and spice processing to pharma, dye, and fertilizer production, Mahavir Industries machines power industries that touch everyday life. Whether it's a GMP or non-GMP model, MS or SS304 cladding, we ensure your production process runs smoothly, efficiently, and safely. Our experienced engineering team handles every stage, from design and installation to commissioning and after-sales support. With Mahavir Industries, you don't just buy a machine, you invest in longer life, lower energy consumption, and complete reliability. We go beyond manufacturing. Mahavir Industries designs each layout with precise heat load, material balance, and energy optimization, reducing overall production and utility cost, giving your business a stronger, more sustainable edge with an impeccable on-time delivery record and 100% specification match. Mahavir Industries has earned the trust of Indian and international clients alike. Mahavir Industries, engineering the future of process technology. Reliable, robust, remarkable. Contact.
Share and subscribe our channel for latest update videos.